Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you, I was just going to take pictures and add it to the end of the video, but then I got all these magnets up and it started raining and so I thought it would be a good time to come in and see if it's working, and I do believe it is. It was raining a lot harder. It's like just barely sprinkling right now, but when I first came in here, it was raining so hard that it was super loud. So you don't want to be in here during a really bad storm, I don't think, unless you can help it. But if you have to be in here, I'm fine. I'm safe and I'm dry and everything's cool. I got all the windows down. The only thing is that we're under a severe storm watch, and I guess the winds are supposed to be picking up, and I just barely had time to roll down the windows. It had already started raining, so there was rain on the window flap when I closed it. So there is a little bit of water in here, but that's because it was already raining when I started doing this. And so these are the ropes that I made a note about earlier in the video. These are to tie down here at the hubs. Those rings that you saw on the outside, you're supposed to take these ropes and tie them out and stake them for extra protection in the wind. Sorry about that, here it comes again. And so I didn't have time. Uh-oh, here it comes. Oh boy. Oh my God. Listen to it. Oh boy, yeah, it's loud. Anyways. Oh man, okay. Anyways, I didn't have time to tie these out. Oh shit. Oh, sorry about my language. I might have to edit that, I guess. Yeah, I might be going in the house, or in the garage, because I did not get time to tie this out properly. And I don't think it's going anywhere, but since I didn't get it tied out properly, I don't know if I want to take the chance. I'm only a couple feet away from the back door to the house. I have it tied on the D-rings on the corners, but I used all my magnets across the top, so you can see it on the sides. If I had more magnets, I would have taken them down the sides too. Oh boy. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh shit, it's windy. I don't know if it's a good idea for me to be out here. Well, this is a good test. Look at it go. Yeah, I need more magnets for the sides. If I had that, then I'd be good to go right there on the sides. But still, there's nothing coming in on top. They're holding strong. These are very strong magnets. Believe me, I had a heck of a time trying to get them apart. They're very strong, so it is working. I don't know if you can tell or not, but there's nothing on the inside. So that works. It took a long time to put all those magnets up, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. So, whatever. This is just temporary, I guess. I'm hoping to not really be in places where it's really wet like this. Right now I don't have a choice. I'm stuck in Indiana. Alright guys, I'm out. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay y'all, we have a problem. It's leaking. It's doing this on every corner. Right here. I don't know where it's coming from. I think maybe, I don't know, but it's like rolling to this point and then that's where it's dripping off. This doesn't feel wet. I don't feel any wet there. I'm trying to see where it's coming from. On every corner. Ah, shit. That's our sirens going off. I should probably not be in here.